Have you ever faced a tough decision? It can be overwhelming. Today, we'll explore effective decision-making strategies to make your life easier. Decision-making is a critical skill in our everyday life. It shapes our future and influences our happiness. Understanding how to make the best choices can lead to success. Let's dive into 3 powerful decision-making strategies. The first is the pros and cons method. Write down the benefits and drawbacks of each option. This simple approach clarifies your choices. Next is the SMART criteria. Make sure your decision is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This helps you set clear goals and guides your decision process. Finally, use the Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20 rule. Identify the 20% of factors that will yield 80% of the results. Focus on what truly matters. Now, let's break these strategies down. Start by listing your options. For the pros and cons method, use a simple table. This visual will help you weigh your choices effectively. For the SMART criteria, ask these questions. Is your goal clear? Can you measure progress? Is it realistic? This will streamline your decision-making process. Applying the Pareto principle involves analyzing your challenges. Identify key issues causing the most impact. Invest your energy there for maximum results. Imagine you have to choose between job offers. Use the pros and cons method to see which aligns better with your goals. Apply the SMART criteria to set career objectives. Lastly, determine which job will lead to overall satisfaction using the 80-20 rule. In summary, mastering decision-making strategies helps you feel confident and empowered. Use the pros and cons method, SMART criteria, and the Pareto principle. Take control of your choices today. Start with your next decision and apply these strategies. Enhance your life and achieve your goals wisely.